siyang version na iba ba, na hindi talaga yung version ni Frank Sinatra. So kaya po, ayun, nakatulong po yun, meron po raw ang originality. So, yun po, kaya po nanalo siguro tayo dahil doon po sa kantang isa pa maganda nila. Tsaka, kahit naman po sino siguro Pilipino ay kaya kantahin mo. Okay. This time, I'm going to call Joanna. Siya po yung kakanta ng part 2. Okay, maestro, please. And I saw our face, find good thing. My friend, safely, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's slow. I travel in every much more than this. I did it my regrets. I had, but then again, the view dimension. You know what I had to do, and it's so true. Without sanction, I plan each charted course, each step alone. Goodbye, come on, control this. My share of losing, and now I still so sad. I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, sa Monday. Gusto ko po sanang mag-farewell party tayo. Dance ba? Ano? Wala pong wala po yung entrance. Hindi po kahit sino.
ABS-CBN, Luisa.
Sasayawan tayo doon. Okay, pagbukas pa, ibigay ko niya yung detalye para po malaman nyo kung saan. Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Salamat kay Osa. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, ladies and gentlemen,